Rhys a Brwsesi, ond chi basta di gweld y lle yng nghanol y cae gan Cai Whitmore. Whitmore fa Iori Humphries y tu allan iddo. Cai Whitmore ar ergyd. O, doedd o'n bell. O, fymryn dros y traws. Gath o'i annog i seithi gan i reolwr Cai Whitmore. A dyna'n union nath o. Gito Williams, o, paslac. Syth at Tyrese Owen. Dyma Hawkins allo greu lle am yr ergyd Hawkins. Ceisio i sgwerio at Brwsesi. A Brwsesi yn edrych i'w gosod ti'r ergyd o bell o i gefnwr yna. Yn erbyn y trawst. O, yr ergyd gan Harry John. Yn taranu oddi ar y trawst. Ac yn arpeniad heibio'r nod. Ac Martel Taylor Crossdale oedd yna. Amddiffyn Bae Colwyn dan warchau yn y 5 munud ola yma. Cyfle unwaith eto i'r ymwelwyr. Ac taro'r postyn! Ac yn cael ei chlirio i ffwrdd rwsyd neu gilydd mae dal yna i'r ymwelwyr. Sut ar wyneb y ddeiar oedd hwnna ddim i fewn. Mam bach i Cai Whitmore ar ergyd cynta. Taro'r postyn. Na rwsyd yr iwfodd. Y bel yn cael ei chlirio. Brooks. O'na gyfle fan hyn i Hill. Hill i gefn y rwyd! Matthew Hill! Ac yn erbyn llif y chwarae, mae'n rhaid dweud. 10 munud ar y cloc, 10 ar y crys. Matthew Hill! Bae Colwyn 1, Hwlffordd 0. Tybwn. Tyler Crossdale fan hyn i... O, hyfryd. Gan Hwlffordd. A Cai Whitmore yn union i'r sgôr. A mi oedd Cai Whitmore mewn erwa o le i dderbyn y bas. A mae'n gyfartal yma ar ffordd Llanelian. Rhys a Brwsesi, y peniad a bel i gefn y rwyd Tyler Crossdale sydd yna. Mi o'na beniad gan Lee Jenkins a Martel Tyler Crossdale. Mi oedden nhw ar ei hôl i Hwlffordd, maen nhw wedi taro nôl. Bae Colwyn 1, Hwlffordd 2. Dylan ôl, Sean. Alla fynd hibio i Williams, ond mae di wneud yn wych i gael ei greisio i fewn! O, sut ar wyneb y ddaear y methodd Turner. Oedd y gôl yn wag o'i flaen o. Mi fethodd Sam Turner a chael cyffyrddiad ar y bel am ddihangfa i'r ymwelwyr.
You know, this time last year, I think we had 7 points after 5 games. You know, we haven't had a great start. We're on 6 points and we've only lost 1 game. That's what I try to remind the boys. We haven't been at our best, but we've only lost once against a very good team in Penabont. You know, every game's tough in this division, especially away from home. So enjoy your away wins when they come. Enjoy any win when it comes, if I'm honest. But yeah, we'll take that today.
For the first 30 minutes, we were well in the game. You know, we caused them a few problems, and then the last 10-15 minutes that we had to really ride it out. They were on top, and they caused us a lot of problems. But you know, we showed the great determination to ride it out. And then second half, I thought we were probably edged it, and then got the goal, and then I'll have to watch our goal back, their goal back, their first goal, because it was like the parting of the Red Sea. I just don't understand how we can be that far apart, but I'll watch it back and then we'll address it. But then in the fourth seen it, obviously the liner can't because his view's blocked, and the refs can't, his view's blocked, but it's a blatant pen. He's pulled him by the arm. Anywhere else on the pitch, it's a pen.
Martel, relief to get that first league win out of the way?
Yeah, that's the most important 3 points. I think now we'll kick on, and for me, well, for all of us, we know that we've got a lot more to give, and this is probably the first one that we obviously needed to get done, and yeah.
Scrappy goal, they all count. Take us through it.
Yeah, just in the box, just waiting for something to drop down, and it came. Like I said, yeah, I'm happy to get first goal, but more happy that we got the 3 points, and now it's just about kicking on, getting better as a team.